Are you looking for a fast, scalable, and fully customizable website for your business? Let me show you why Next.js and Strapi are the perfect combo to power your digital presence. I recently built a website using Next.js on the front end and Strapi as the backend CMS. Let me walk you through why this stack is a game changer for you. Next.js ensures blazing fast page loads, optimized SEO, and server-side rendering. Your visitors get an experience that's smooth, snappy, and seamless. With Strapi, managing your content is simple and seamless. Creating a new blog post, just enter your title, write your content, and upload an image, all from one clean, intuitive dashboard. Once you're ready, hit publish. In seconds, your changes go live, instantly reflected on your website. No code, no delays, just total control at your fingertips. As an admin, you'll have full control over your branding. Update text, images, even SEO meta tags in seconds, and watch changes reflect instantly on your site. Whether you're a startup, a growing brand, or an enterprise, this stack is designed to scale, perform, and adapt to your needs. Speed and performance with Next.js, easy content editing through Strapi, total branding control for admins, secure and scalable architecture, and yes, developer-friendly too. In short, Next.js plus Strapi equals total freedom and powerful performance. If you're ready to upgrade your online presence with the latest tech, let's talk. Drop a comment, visit the link in the description, or connect with us today.